Alrighty guys, welcome back to the best investing money management channel on YouTube. In today's video, we are going to be talking about the top 3 stocks that I am buying. Pretty much I cannot seem to buy enough of. I love all these stocks and I'm trying to buy as much as I can before June. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value out of this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, concerns, make sure you guys go ahead and ask them down in the comments. So starting off with stock number 1. Stock number 1 is Apple, ticker symbol AAPL. I think this goes without saying. This is an absolute powerhouse of a company. They hold over $100 billion in cash, meaning if they ever go through a hard time, they have $100 billion to continue to grow, invest, pay their employees, and expand. Not to mention, guys, their past earnings does not determine they are not slowing down anytime soon. Looking at it here, you guys can see they brought in $97.2 billion with an EPS of 1.5. This thing is super undervalued. It's sold off from about $180 all the way down to $140, establishing some pretty hard support right there at about 140. Given we got an initial pop-up right here at 143, this is an absolute no-brainer investment, especially if you guys can pick it up near and around this 140 zone. Personally, I think this is one of my favorite holdings that I have, and I'm trying to buy as much as I can of it. It's undervalued. You guys are going to be getting paid 23 cents a quarter to have this, so you're going to be getting great growth. On top of that, you're going to be getting some passive income that you can use to, continue to invest into this company or other companies, and it's just a great way to start your compound interest and passive income. It's a beautiful, beautiful thing. Stock number 2 is a little different one. It's ticker symbol TSLA. I know. I love Tesla, and I've been talking about this stock for a while, but this one here is very, very similar here. We've seen so much volatility from it. It's sold off. The past earnings that we saw, they brought in $18.7 billion. If this earnings was 2 years ago, this stock would be at $1,500 per share right now. The reason why I say that is because a lot of money has left the electric vehicle sector, and it's moved into other things like crypto, metaverse, and stuff along those lines. So right now, though, there is so much opportunity for this stock. It's sold off from $1,200 all the way below $700 a share. Personally, I'm trying to buy as much as I can of this under $750. The average analyst price target for this stock is right up here at about $985 a share. So if that's just say you're wrong about it hitting highs up here at $1,200, and all of these analysts are right, you're still looking at a return of about 40%. So I'm trying to buy as much as I can of that, and I think the long term for Tesla is a lot larger than you and I think. Now moving on to the last and final one, we had a low risk one with Apple. We had a medium to high risk one with Tesla. Now for the belle of the ball, for the high risk, high reward stock that I am buying right now is ticker symbol GME. Now, I know, I'm not buying much, only literally keeping it under 1% of my portfolio. So that's for every $100 I have invested into other stocks, I don't mind putting $1 or 50 cents or something along those lines into GameStop. Now, right now, there's been a lot of buying pressure among GameStop. As you guys can see, it hit $80 and we had a pop from 80 all the way up to about 150. So that's a return of about 50, just over 50%. So what happened? Well, right now GameStop is actually they launched a couple of things. The very first thing they launched is an NFT program. The second thing is a marketplace for crypto NFTs that gamers can use to send, receive, and hold crypto and some of their GameStop NFTs. The third thing that we had a lot of momentum from is earnings. Now, right now, I am not buying it. Right now, I'm going to wait for the earnings next week. GameStop's earnings next week, but I think we will get some sell-off back down to some affordable prices. The reason why I say that is because a ton of retail like Walmart, Target has been absolutely obliterated by their past earnings. Look at TGT here. This is Target. You guys can see this thing fell from 250 all the way to just under 150, in just at about 2 months, which is a crazy sell-off. In a single day, this thing dropped 30%. For Target, this does not happen. Now, does Target carry potential? Absolutely, for the long run. Understand though, there's going to be volatility, but GameStop, there could be a small move for like a possible swing trade from, if we actually go ahead and look at it, from 130. Ideally, if we can get this stock under $100 to up here at this resistance at about 190. High risk, high reward. It's one of those things where I'm not going heavy in it at all, but I always think it's fun to have a couple of shares. Like I said, keeping it under 1%, and I'm just gonna let this thing ride and see what happens with it. I understand the fundamentals of this company are not the greatest. Their revenue and everything is not the greatest, but they're trying something new, and that's what I want to look at, and that's what I like to see. So guys, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe. We will see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe out there. We'll see you later. Take care.